This is the closest to waterfall we're getting here, folks. You know, I feel like Rose from Titanic standing on the ledge or on the edge of the boat, ready to jump off into the ocean. I'm not gonna do that. Flower sniffer. You know, actually, you can sniff the trees too. This one smells like maple, no joke. It's a palm tree, I believe. But yeah, much love. Much love here. I could just lick it. Just kidding. Just thought I would record this because I'm walking on a freaking railroad track surrounded by all of this nature. There's just so much to be grateful for. And you know, if you're a Laredoan watching this, I'm in Laredo, and you know, who the hell is out in nature appreciating all of this beauty? We tend to stick to that mentality that Laredo's boring, there's nowhere to go. There is, you know, nature is everywhere. It's everywhere, and all we have to do is get out and find it. All we have to do is get out and Just be in it. I mean, I love this. I feel so free and alive. I'm not at home, stuck inside, watching Netflix, doing nothing. You know, this is living. Get out and live. Get out and do something. Free yourself, because you're not trapped. You're not trapped. And you know, if your parents don't let you get out by yourself, then ask them to come with you. That would be even better. You know, you're not alone. They get to experience it with you. Saying the answer no is not a reasonable answer. You know, why are they saying no? Why are they keeping you boxed in when you can be living free? There's just so much to experience, and I don't want anyone to miss out on it. I'm not missing out, I'll tell you that. But for those of you who absolutely cannot get out, I decided to make this a little vlog, take you guys with me, you know? Come with me. Let's take a little walk out in nature. Woo! Almost fell. These rocks are freaking slippery. All this long grass, that is not gonna stop me. Not gonna stop me. I'm heading that way. Just look forward. Just move forward. Let's get it. Flowers. Just look at this. You know, it's nothing spectacular, but it's better than nothing, am I right? It's better than nothing, and we weren't put here to wait for the future to come to find beauty. We were put here to find the beauty in what we have now, in where we are now, and that's what I'm doing, y'all. That is what I'm doing. And just look at this, you know? Just look. Is there water down there? There is water down there. But I'm looking at that right there. Look at that. Freaking beautiful. Surrounded by all this green. I'm taking it all in. Well, I did get attacked by some fire ants while standing there appreciating nature, but hey, that's how you know you're living. If you're not getting bit by fire ants, stung by bees, you're not out living. That's what I say. Now, I mean, we do gotta be careful, obviously, right? But we shouldn't be living in fear. We shouldn't let things like that stop us from getting out. I feel like I'm hiking and climbing a mountain. No, I'm just kidding. Not climbing a mountain, but guys, this is fucking amazing. I'm having so much fun. I'm never going back home. Just kidding. Dad, Mom, if you're watching this, you know I'm just kidding. But this seriously is amazing. I love it. actually came here to record a reading, you guys, but I'm just too captivated by all of this that I just want to adventure, journey around, and have some fun. Not that making readings isn't fun. I love making readings. If I didn't, I wouldn't be making them. But this is something else, you know, I literally feel like I'm not in Laredo. I'm just living. Feel like if I'm in another place, hiking or some shit. And if I didn't tell you guys I was in Laredo, you know, who would have known actually? Who would have known that I'm not in some jungle and this is actually a railroad track and up ahead is a highway. Next to me is a bunch of trucks. But I don't give a shit. Look at this. Holy crap. I'm in love. I'm in love. Wow. I don't know what type of bug that is, but it looks pretty cool. Just hanging on this whole branch. Where'd it go? Oh. I don't know. But I decided I'm gonna start heading back that way. So let's just see where. Ooh! Look at that. Anyone hungry? We got someone just left their corn on the cob here. Great. Oh my gosh. Right, you guys, so that was an amazing adventure. An amazing freaking adventure. I loved it. I'm definitely gonna be going back there. So I'm just home right now. Just got out of the shower and I'm now sitting on my balcony just enjoying the sunset. Looks beautiful. Anyways, so today was just really like a wake-up call for me because, I mean, it hit me how the majority of people just spend their time inside nowadays, you know? I was riding my bike back home and just seeing all the cars parked outside the houses, no one outside, no one riding bikes, no kids outside playing. You know, when I was a kid, I spent every single day outside playing, just living it up, you know? And things have just really, really changed. And it's pretty sad, but, you know, that's just the way it is. It doesn't have to be that way, though. You know, so if you're watching this and you feel the same way, get outside and venture, be a kid again, you know? While I was climbing that railroad track, felt like I was climbing a mountain or something. And normally, when I was a kid, that's something I would do. Like, I would just make the most of things by pretending I was doing something else. So, for example, climbing that railroad track, I would probably most likely be pretending that I was hiking up a mountain or something, you know? And I did the same thing today. I just felt like a kid again. And it's pretty amazing, you guys. It's amazing what we can do when we just put ourselves in the moment and just let ourselves be. As a great friend of mine has said in the past, You know, use your brain, don't let your brain use you. As in, you know, use your brain for good. Don't get bit by fire ants. But don't let your brain use you, as in let your thoughts control your reality. You know, when you're letting your thoughts control your reality, you're not really living. Not really living in the moment. Especially if you're living out of fear, your thoughts just prevent you from doing everything that your soul is really calling you to do. So, I just felt like I wanted to share that. As for now, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know if this is gonna be the end of the vlog. I doubt it. We'll see. But that's all I wanted to share for now, so yeah. Peace. So it turns out that that was gonna be the end of this video because I'm pretty tired, as you can tell by my eyes. It's that time for bed. But I just wanted to end this with a little freestyle piano, so let's do it. And we'll just see what I can do with that. As for now, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I didn't plan on making a vlog today, really. I just kind of did it because that's how it ended up happening. So this vlog is gonna be a little bit messy and all over the place, but it's my first one. There's gonna be many more to come, so for now this will do. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I definitely enjoyed making it. I had an incredible day. I'm so glad that I can share this. And yeah, guys, just thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.